Hi everybody, this is Karina from Plan in Love, and I'm going to show you how you're able to download and find RSVP cards here on our website. So what you're going to want to do is go to the Plan in Love website and find your way over to the navigation bar here that says Stationery and Signs. Then what you're going to want to do is scroll all the way down and find RSVP cards here. So we're just going to go ahead and click that. And now we're here. So the wedding RSVP cards and stationery. So make it easier for your guests to RSVP to your wedding with a customizable wedding RSVP card stationery. Choose from a variety of designs and personalize them with your response options. So again, like I said, these are customizable. So when you purchase these, you can download them and they will bring you straight into a Canva link, and then you're able to completely design and edit everything you need from there. So just going to go through these. We have a couple of different options here, ranging from price. So we have $0, and then we go all the way up to $6.50, which is pretty good. So like I said here, we have different themes: tropical beach, terracotta boho. I really like this one. We have elegant, Persian pink, stuff like that. Just for this example, I'm going to go ahead and choose the Burgundy Blush Fall Wedding RSVP cards. That's $0. This is a free download from our website. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to cart there. And then go to checkout here. So once you're in checkout here, we have just our billing details. If you're a returning customer, please feel free to log in here. But again, this is a free template, but you might want to do a mix and match. So maybe you have free ones with paid ones, stuff like that. So you would put in your information here. This email address that you provide us just allows us to send you those downloadable files so you have them forever there. So we're just going to go ahead and fill out all of our information, make sure our order is correct. We want the Burgundy Blush Fall Wedding RSVP card, and then we're going to go ahead and place order here. So once you've placed that order, it's going to send you to this order receive sheet here. So we have the products that we've purchased and then the download button here. Again, we will email you all of this information as well, so you will have that forever. And if you don't find this email in your main inbox, please remember to check your spam folder sometimes, because that's where it shows up sometimes. But yes. So moving on, the download button is here. So Burgundy Blush RSVP card. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and then that will download a PDF file that we're going to click on here. So this is going to send you to a template access sheet here. So just to go through this quickly, the Burgundy Blush Fall Wedding RSVP card, this is where you're going to click to download that. So how it works: log in or create a free account via Canva, access your template via the link provided above, click the Use Templates button to save a new copy of the template to your Canva account and begin editing. If the link provided is not open or you get some sort of error, please try a different browser. So again, with this, and this is with every single template we provide, we have given you a Canva editor overview. So basically, if you've never used Canva before or it's very new to you, we've given you a little bit of a rundown on what you can expect when you open Canva here. I'm not going to get into too many details, but it is all here. So we have editing texts, changing the colors, changing layer positions, download files, adding links, uploading images here, and stuff like that. So this will go into a little more detail about what you need to use Canva here. So just going all the way back up to the top, I'm going to go ahead and click to download. And this is what's going to send us to our Canva file here. So this is what this looks like. And then instead of edit the template, I'm going to go ahead and say use this template for a new design. And that way, we're not actually editing the template itself. We're making a copy of that for ourselves and using that there. Use template for new design. And I'm going to go ahead and start off with, just when you have this file, make sure you're naming it, which you can do up here. Make sure you're naming it something you're going to remember. It's very easy to, forget to do this and then lose it in your computer space, because copy of Burgundy RSVP is not something you're going to remember probably, and it's going to be difficult to find later. So again, make it something, Karina, and then RSVP cards for wedding, the date, something you're going to remember, so you can have that for easier access later. So moving on, this is completely editable, like I was saying. You can change anything you want about this. So this is RSVP, very big. Maybe I want to change that to maybe like a 20. Maybe I wanted it in all capital letters here. We can change this. This says Sarah and Thomas. Obviously, you would change that to your own names there. And then the date or the location. Accepts with pleasure, declines with regrets. Dietary requirements. You have the please respond by date here. Everything you would need, and also anything you don't need. If you don't want dietary requirements, maybe you want to put in a song request or something like that. It's all up to you on what you would like to change. Again, these elements up here, you could totally do whatever you want with these as well. Maybe you want like a little accent in the corner. Maybe you want this to be a bit higher, a bit lower, anything like that. Feel free. It's all up to you to change however you want it to look. So once I'm happy with my final design here, I'm going to go ahead and go up to the share button here and download over here. For printed cards, I suggest a PDF for printing. Just go ahead and click that, and then you would hit download, and then you would print at your own leisure. So that is basically how you go onto our Plan and Love website and download our RSVP cards. Thank you guys so much for watching.